Hey everyone, it's Rick. This is the Gold Box Toolbox haul. This is actually an auction, and in the picture this box looked a lot larger, but here's a little box and I'm going to show you what's inside. Here we go. Okay everyone, sorry for the mess. I'm in the process of, I purchased thousands of tools, so I'm in the process of cleaning all these tools, and I cleared a space so I could do this one real quick. This was from an auction, online auction that I won. And I think I won it for about $31. It might have been $41.20 in shipping. I think I bought $55 total in this. And I'm going to show you what I bought and what was in here. Now you're going to see all these little bags that I'm dealing with. I had everything packaged up, ready to get listed on eBay. And I said, damn it, I didn't shoot a video. So I'm actually going to open up each bag individually, show you what's in it, and put it back in the bag because they're like kind, okay? So here we go. Now keep in mind also when I'm showing you these how shiny and clean they are. I cleaned all of these with Evap-O-Rust. So all of these were cleaned with Evap-O-Rust. So we have, this is a Cornwell PM22. So it's PM, let's back up. This is a Cornwell 18 millimeter PM-2218L. 2218L. And of course it's spotless because, again, I soak everything 24 hours in Evap-O-Rust, and then I do 24 hours in simple green. In fact, let me show you that real quick. Here's the simple green. I buy it, I think this is 2.5 gallons. So there's a simple green. And then here's the Evap-O-Rust. I could put links to both of these down below because I get it on Amazon. There's your Evap-O-Rust. 24 hours in this, and then 24 hours in the simple green. Okay, back to it. Next socket is an 18 millimeter PM2218-L. So we have two of the same impact sockets. 3/8 drive. We have a Cornwell 15 USA. It's UPJ-227. 3/8 drive swivel. We have a Cornwell 17 USA. It's a 7/16 MS-2214-R. So these four, that goes back in the Cornwell bag. Wright Tools 38-15, so it's 38-15 millimeter. This one is Wright Tools 38-15. So these are both Wright Tools 15 millimeter 3/8 drive. We have, by the way, all of these sockets will be for sale on my eBay store, which is Rick Sells Tools. Rick Sells Tools. This is a Butler tool. Owosso, is that Michigan? MS-2214. And then it says 2 1¼ 9-86. There's a lot of, you can decipher all of that. Let's see if we can get that in there. It's a lot. They put a lot of writing on these sockets. 3/8 drive, deep impact. This one is harder to read. Butler MS-2210 MM-2. So it's a 2210. I'm assuming it's a 10 millimeter. And then 2-10-85. So February 10th, 1985. The 3/8 drive, Butler 10 millimeter XDJ6-885. So these are 1985. This one, the magnet doesn't stay in. There's a spring in it, it's spring loaded, and there's a magnet in there, but the magnet keeps popping out. MS-0214 7/16 Butler, Owosso, Michigan. This one is an MS-2210 MS-2210 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10-2483. MS-2212 3/8. Boy, their markings, it's 2-3/8, 2-2685. I mean, the markings on these, and again, I'm working on the lighting, so it'll be better next time, but if you can see it, if you can't see it, I apologize. So we're up to 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 impact sockets. This is made by a company called Metra. I haven't heard of them before. Metra PM 3218, 18 millimeter. And this is a Metra, Metra. M-E-T-R-A, Metra. PM 2213, 13 millimeter. I did win 27 lots on an online auction. I have Snap-on coming, Mac coming, Matco coming, Craftsman. Speaking of Snap-on, 13 MFI MM13, so it's obviously 13 millimeter. The number is MFI MM13, 3/8 drive, Snap-on. This guy liked his 13 millimeter Snap-on 13 DFM13. DFM13, and it says right on it, warning, no non-impact. That's an impact Snap-on. That's a non-impact Snap-on. Oh, this is that torque drive, I think, for the hard to remove bolts, if you guys can see that. Last Snap-on DFM 13, 13 millimeter. DFM 13, another one of those drives for removing stuck bolts. Just a few more. This one, this what's in my hand pays for the whole lot. Mac Tools, 22 millimeter impact socket, 3/8 drive. Again, AP6, Mac 22 millimeter. We have another XP6. This is a little bit different look of it. XP6 Mac 22 millimeter 3/8 drive impact socket. And these, if you saw these before I cleaned them, you wouldn't believe how clean they are now. And we have another XP6 21 millimeter impact socket. Stanley 13 millimeter. Stanley 13 millimeter. 89-229. Just a Stanley. 1/2 inch drive. 13 millimeter. Apex M-11 10 5/16. They're all going to be Apex. 13 millimeter M21. Pretty much everything here is impact. 13 millimeter. The actual number is 0-13 MM45 Apex 1/2 inch drive. 6 point. The last one was 6 point. This one is 6 point. Apex 13 millimeter M45 6 point 1/2 inch drive. We have a unique one here. Deep drive 13 millimeter M21 1/4 inch drive. 6 point. 2 more. Apex M1E10 5/16. I thought, as I'm spinning, I thought it was 10 millimeter, but it's 5/16. Last one. Apex M1 P10-5/16. So we have another 5/16. Okay, so this box. This bag. This bag. This bag. This bag. This bag. That bag. This bag. And that bag. I think I paid $31 and $21 for shipping. I have $50 to $70 in that at the most. Wait till you see some of the auctions. I have Snap-on coming where I paid literally pennies on the dollar. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye.